Alright guys, before we get into today's video, I want to let you know we have a ton of new gear live on miragecamo.co right now. Here's some of it. So we have our new calling gloves. These are freaking awesome. They're selling out like crazy already, but you can wear one, you can wear two. It comes with two. You got the hand warmer up front. You can leave your shooting / calling hand free. And we got the shell bag back here. Comes with this little tag. We put about 75 shells in here, and it still had some room. So you can hold a ton of shells, roll it up, and clip it. Throw it in the water, throw it in the dirt. You're good to go. It'll float. It will stay absolutely clean. It's awesome. Then we got the same technology on our new lockout gun case. So same sort of deal towards the end. Slide your gun in this end. It's insulated, so you can throw your gun if you want. Throw it into the water, throw it into the dirt. Put it in there, roll that sucker up, and do the same thing. You just clip it on the end, hold it here, or you got the strap here with our standout while blending in and the Mirage logo. And last but not least is our fan favorite, the lockout waders. So these have 1600 gram insulated boots, reinforced knees. We have two colorways in them. Removable insulation on the inside that velcros all the way around the top and all the way around the legs. Adjustable metal clasps up front, and our 4-layer breathable material. So go check all those out. They're live on the site right now. Click the link in the description and tell us what you guys think. Now, let's go dove hunting.
Oh yeah. You ready, Ava? I think she's ready. Alright guys, what's going on? It's another dove hunt. So today we're gonna take it a little slower. We have my dog out here, Ava. She's half lab, half red and white setter. Perfect bird dog. We take her out here all the time to hunt without a gun, and she does amazing. She's hunting right now. In the past, she's been a little gun shy because I wasn't able to work with her when she was younger. So we're gonna see how she does today. Just kind of make it a slower hunt, work with her, have some fun, and shoot some birds. We're at the same spot here, and they should be flying really soon. It's like shooting light right now. It might look light in the camera, but it's still pretty dark. So we're gonna go set up the decoys. I'm here with Michaela again. So we're gonna go set up the decoys and get to shooting here soon. You ready, Ava? Ava, you ready? I think she's ready. All right, we'll see you out there. All right guys, it's shooting light. People are already shooting over there. Looks like just that corner right now, but we're just about ready. Ava looks pretty dialed this morning. So let's see what she can do today. Right, Ava? She just saw some birds. Coyote right over there. If that was public, I'd shoot it, but keep it away from the dogs. All right, I think we're all situated here. All right, guys. This is what you guys have been asking for on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. The gun case. Fully waterproof, roll in the back. And I'm using the Benelli today. It's a little heavier, but let's see how fun it is. We got time. Ava, come here. Ava. Come here. Come on. Come on. Hunt him up. We'll get the bird. Look. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Ava, right there. Good girl. Good girl. Nice job, Ava. Good girl. That wasn't too bad at all. She kind of stuck to my hip after I shot. I think the noise surprises her a bit, but I mean, she didn't run off. She's not all nervous or anything. She found the bird, so that's a win in my book. You guys on YouTube are all professionals apparently, so you guys might say otherwise, but that's a win in my book. All right, come on. Let's shoot some more birds. Come here, Ava. Let's shoot some more birds. Come here, Ava. Such a good girl. Pick it up. Ava, we got number 2. We got number 2. All right, let's get our next one. That's pretty good, Ava. Seriously, for how she's been in the past, I'm happy with that. That's progress. That is progress right there. So we saw the game warden out this morning, so make sure you cross your T's and dot your I's. Make sure everything's perfect, so if they come, you're not getting a citation. Ooh, dive bombing into the decoys. Should have been paying attention, huh? That's the thing. Filming is so fun for hunting, but it takes your attention away a little bit from the hunt. That's all right. Dude, I don't know if I have to aim lower or higher with this gun. I totally forget. I'm used to shooting ducks with this shotgun. Now I know it's not ideal to stand right in front of your decoys. But the birds aren't too picky, so. Got one. Got one. Ava. Go get it. Hunt him up. Come on. Where is it? Good girl. Good girl. You found it. Good job. Good job. Good girl. All right, nice job. Let's get another. She's got feathers hanging out her mouth. Oh. What am I, drunk? So far, so good. 3 down. Ava's doing amazing. It's a good morning. You like the shell bag? Ava, look.
It's weird that she's doing that.
finally. I've got to shoot higher with this gun. Come on, Ava. Hunt him up. I see it. Number 4. There we go.
She got all the feathers.
Yeah. I love how after I shoot, she just sticks to my hip. Now I wish she would go hunt, but
one step at a time.
yeah. Hey, this is better than running the other direction. Ava.
Come on, Ava, let's get the bird.
Good girl. Oh, shoot.
Get him.
I don't want to shoot him. Get the bird.
Come on, Ava, let's get the bird.
Good girl. Oh, shoot.
Get him.
I don't want to shoot him that close. Woo-hoo-hoo! Ava. Ava. Come here. Go get it. Ava. Go get it. She does not want to run very far, which is weird. Ava. I gotta keep an eye on the bird. Come on, Ava. So many geese out there. That's awesome. Oh. Oh my gosh. Geese out there. Jalen has early goose season in Washington State right now. He said a bunch of his land got shut down this season. I don't know what happened there. It was a private land hunting opportunity. So it's private land, but the owner of the land opens it up for people to hunt. And he probably had 100 different spots out there. They closed down that program this season, and now he doesn't have anywhere to hunt. So he's gonna be spending a lot of time walking around, door knocking, and we'll see. It sucks because Washington's like one of the best states to hunt waterfowl, but they're pretty strict about stuff. So a lot of people don't like their fish and game service there. So we'll see. Ava. Ava. You don't want it this time? Oh, you do. Sit.
Come on, bring it in.
Oh. Ava. No? This one's got some green to it. I think that's 9. Oh, I did hit him. Feathers everywhere. Oh. No. This one's got some green to it. Oh my gosh. Ava. Dropped. Come on, Ava. Good girl. Go get mom. Oh. Come on. Another one. Another one. Should probably count these real quick. And they just posted it. It's been what, like almost 110 days of over 100-degree weather in the Phoenix area, which is
Get to the 90s next week.
Yeah, next week's supposed to be 90s. Oh my gosh. Drop. Come on, Ava. Drop. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ava. 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 Good girl. I make it somewhat short. Here come, oh my gosh. Here come 10 birds flying in. God sent them himself. And they're going. Ava. I gotta keep an eye on the bird. Ava. Terrible last bird, but whatever. Good girl. right, you guys, that's a wrap on today's hunt. That was super fun. I'm very proud of Ava for how she did out there. We have a lot of work to do with her, but for the first hunt in about a year probably, she did pretty well. So tomorrow I'm going out to the same spot, just me and Ava, and this hunt is actually already filmed and she does really well. She starts running after the birds right after I shoot. I don't have to walk with her this time. She's still not retrieving the birds, but she's doing a lot better at finding them and putting in the work. So we will see you guys in that video. It'll probably be posted in another week or so, but super fun hunt, and we'll see you guys out there. Peace.